Are you tired? Are you tired of what? When you are working, when lockdown was not there, you were tired working. You are tired speaking. You are tired going to shop. You are tired for this. You are tired for that. Your children tire you. Your spouse tire you. Your friends tire you. Everything is tiring, isn't it? Are you tired? Just think about it. Every day you get tired, right? When you get tired well, you sleep well. If you're not tired, you can't even sleep well. You know that? What to do to get tired? There are many types of tiredness also. One is physical tiredness. This is understandable. You do some workout, you get tired, you get good sleep. If you have walked, if you have not walked, if you get onto a treadmill because you are locked down, you can walk in your treadmill, you exhaust some energy, you get tired. But you know the mental tiredness that comes by thinking and thinking and thinking and overthinking wears you out. It's the worst type of tiredness that you can ever experience in life, the mental tiredness. And your emotional tiredness is even worse. Heartburn, fear, anxiety. But are you tired of all these also? Are you tired of thinking? You better get tired of thinking. Are you tired of feeling anxious? Just look back in your own life and see how many times you have felt anxious. Still you are existing. Still you are intact now. You are still sleeping. Right? You are eating. You are alive. Why not we just look at our own experience and come out of this emotional tiredness, intellectual tiredness? There is a way to get out of this. You know what is that? Pranayama. Your breath is linked to your emotions. Every emotion has a particular rhythm in your breath. But we seldom attend to our breath. We don't even know that there is a link between between our emotions, how we feel, and our breath, breathing pattern. We don't even recognize that every thought, every worry in our head has a definite pattern in our breath. So if you change the pattern of the breath, your worries will also stop. Do you know this secret? It's a secret, but share it with everybody at home. Your worries are linked to your breath. You cannot directly sometimes get rid of emotions or thoughts, but you can do it through your breath. If you have been part of any drama or acting group, they'll tell you to breathe differently when you have to express different emotions. If you have to show anger, you cannot show anger like that. You have to breathe faster. Only then anger can be expressed. So, when you are feeling serene, the in-breath is slow and soft. You don't feel the exhalation at all. When you are frustrated, your exhalation is powerful. Your inhalation, you don't even know when you have took a deep breath in. Now, doing some pranayamas, you can reverse this, you can change this. Yeah, you can come out of the mental tiredness. Many people have this writer's block. Sometimes they want to write something, they want to do some creativity, they cannot do it. For them, I would recommend you do Sudarshan Kriya. This is the best way to get out of your blocks. As a precursor to this, I'll tell you some simple breathing exercises. Take long, deep breath. Hold the breath and then breathe out through the mouth as though you are blowing out of a straw. See how long can you breathe out. This can also bring down your high BP. If you are high BP, tension, this can calm that down. You can keep your eyes open, but you have to keep your gaze at 30 degrees. It's good, you can do it eyes closed, it's even better. So you breathe in through the nostril and breathe out through the mouth as slow as possible. Just 5 such breaths can calm your mind, can snap you out of worries. And one more, after this you can do the Bhastrika Pranayama. Huh? Hands loose to your side, you breathe in and throw your hands up and breathe out with the same force. Breathe in and breathe out with the same speed. This Bhastrika Pranayam can also refresh your head, remove the tiredness from you. So don't do it too much, okay? You can do 10, 15 counts or 20 counts at the max. Like this you can do 2 or 3 cycles with a little rest in between. I would also recommend you to listen to music and chanting. You can try this either sitting or lying down. Just listen to chanting for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and you will see at the end of it you feel very energized and more lively. So, physical tiredness, get rid of with good rest. Mental tiredness, get rid of it by doing pranayama, some yoga and meditation. Emotional tiredness, listen to chanting or even bhajans of any language, of any religion. Those can really uplift your emotional well being.